Hi, I'm Derek, a blue shirt expert here at Best Buy, and today I'm excited to talk about the Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headset. This is for the PC as well as PlayStation 4 and 5. This is for Best Buy's Unbox. Let's get started. I love the quality box on this, a nice thick box to protect it. Inside we have this nice lithographed card here along with the actual instructions. In the box itself, great little cover here for the headphones themselves. Now on the headphones themselves, pretty similar to a lot of other headphones that you may have seen before, are some special features on it. They are designed so that they can fold down. It has a nice hard plastic up here to protect the headphones themselves, as well as this nice little comfort strap, so this will fit just about every headset. It is adjustable, of course. On the actual buds themselves, there are some special features on here. There is a Bluetooth button here. This is actually designed to connect this to multiple devices. I know that we said that this connects to the PC and the PlayStation 4 and 5, but you can also connect it to things like your phone so that you can go ahead and talk on the phone, trash talk your friends while you're playing, as well as listen to music and just connect online with that. So just a few other ways that you can go ahead and connect this device. On here, on the other side, is a button that goes ahead and turns the on and off, a mute button, and just a roller volume switch. It also does have a standard audio jack here so that you can connect this into other devices. Next up, we do have the wireless base station. This is what actually connects between your devices and then sends them wirelessly off to the actual headset itself. It does have a nice little display here, very bright, very easy to read. It's going to tell you things like the volume, the current balance, what source, allow you to very easily change between those devices. It also has a nice little volume button here, as well as a click to go ahead and select on those. On the back of the device itself, there are a couple of ports. It does have a line in, line out, so you can connect to things like your Switch and other audio devices. It does have two USB-C ports here. That's what you're going to be able to connect and do what they call dual audio mode. This way you can easily connect it up to your different systems and just very easily, again, just switch between them. Finally, we do have this nice little box, and probably the most important box for any kind of headset, the cables. So here we do have a standard audio cable, as well as two USB-C to USB-A cables. There's where you're going to go ahead and connect to your PlayStation and your other consoles on there. In here we also have a cover for the included mic, as well as a second battery. And that'll come up here in just a second when we talk about charging the system. Now one of the really great features is that this headset is designed to really outlast your gaming session. And the way that they do that is with hot swappable batteries. What that means is there's this little magnetic cover on each side here. It just comes off very easily. There's nothing to click in. And you see that second battery there. You just switch the batteries out and go ahead and get that gaming going. So how do you charge this? Pretty neat here. There's a little slot here on the side. Just plugs right into the side here. Just pops right in. That way it's going to go ahead and charge while you're playing with the other battery there. And then again, when it's time to switch, you just pull it right out, take that cover off, and then you're good to go. And one of the other nice things about this headset is that it does have 360-degree audio. And what that means is that you can hear all around you, so nobody can sneak up behind you. You can also hear everybody around you and get those really high scores against your friends. Two other things that this does have is active noise canceling for both the headphones themselves, as well as the microphone that pops right out. This means that your friends that you're playing with online are not going to complain about your chat with your neighbors or anything playing in the background. But it also has what they call transparency mode. What that means is that you turn that on and you can hear the things going on around you. For example, if you're waiting for that pizza delivery, you'll be able to catch it and then get back to your game. I'm Derek, and this is Best Buy Unboxed. Today we talked about the Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headset. We'll see you next time.